Hello there YouTube. My name's Fizzy6868 from the Folks Entertainment team. It's a new website that I've put together with a few friends. We're going to do a tutorial on how to basically add a database to a MySQL server, and also how to edit the tables, basic information of how to add something to a table. First of all, I'd just like to show you our website, which is folks and hyphen entertainment dot no hyphen ip dot org, and you'll come to our website, which is got all of our content from me, Stephen and Zachary Solus. Just have a check and get some wallpapers and join our TeamSpeak server. And you can also request some content. Right, so let's get to the MySQL tutorial. Basically, what we need to do is we need to download MySQL Workbench 6 at this current time. Just basically click the download link and follow the basic installation instructions, which I guess you already know as you've obviously installed MySQL and a few other things. Right, so we'll close this off, and now when it loads you'll come up with a window like this, and you'll have local instance MySQL. Now if it's remote, you'll have to right click and edit the connection and type in the URL. I've deliberately blurred my URL because I've put mine on my server, which is remote. Don't really want anyone hacking. But what we need to do is, first of all, we just click here, left click, and connect to the server. And now, as you can see, you've got your management for your server status, and user privileges, and a few other things there. If you want me to show you how to do user privileges and set them up, then more than welcome to help you out. Just post a comment below. So first of all, we need to create a new database. Well, they call them not databases. But first of all, what we do is click the plus there, and then we need to create a new name, and we're going to call this test YouTube. And then we go down to apply, and we want to create a stamina, apply, and we've done that, and click finish. Now you'll notice that it's down here. All we have to do is open the tab, and where it says tables, we right click on tables and click create a table. I'm going to make this table specifically for my VB project, which will be how to create how to access a table from VB. It's going to be a username one, so what we're going to do is we're going to call it login, and we're going to first off add a column called ID, and it's going to be a primary key, and it's not allowed to be null, and we're going to add it to be auto incremental, so it means basically it's going to add one every time. So basically it'll be like 1, 2, 3, right? You should always have one of these, no matter what database it is. It's advised to do an ID. Then we're going to have user, and then we're going to have pass, and then we're going to have name, just so that they can have their own name. Or actually, no, we'll call that email address. Email. What I'm doing is just double clicking on each form to edit it. Now we have maximum characters 45. Now I know email addresses can be bigger than 45. Nuts if you have got a bigger email address. So what we'll do is we'll just make sure and we'll put that as 60. So that means maximum that you can put in here is 60. Username maximum 45. Password and we'll put that as maximum of 20. And what we want, they're not allowed to be null, so we make sure that they have to fill these in basically. And we've got no, that's it. Right, basically that is literally all you've got to do. Your default value, you don't want to fill that in, but if it was like, for instance, a country or a price, you could put currency, say for instance, you could put Great British Pounds, so put that in there, or pounds, or $sign. And then once you've done that, all you have to do is click apply once you've added your fields, and then click apply and then finish. And then we close these off. And now if we want to add, like, say like we've got a team that you already know their username and passwords and you want to add them straight away into the table, say. So what we do is we left click on the tab to drop down, and we've got our login table here. So what we do is we right click and go to send to SQL editor, which is here. We go select all statements, which it never done. There we go. I guess we've got to click on here first, then right click and select all statements. And basically we could type this if we had all day, or if you specifically want to look up just usernames, you can delete these columns. So what we do is we execute the command, and we'll have our table down below here. So if you want to add someone, you can literally just press 1, user fizzy6868, password test, and email address fizzy668 at test.com. I'm gonna make that bigger, just so.
User joined your channel.
Now, hold on, my bad. Sorry about that. Forgot about the YouTube channel. Now what we got to do is basically, now we've filled that in, we apply and we can save them credentials. As you can see here, we could have typed it up above. For instance, if I copy this, you don't have to worry about this, and then click apply and then finish. But what we could have done, if I close this off, don't save. Right, what we could have done is we could have basically inserted into YouTube, test YouTube login, which is this table, the ID, user, pass, and email values, and we could do 2 Stephen, it's one of our colleagues, test 2 at Stephen.com, and we could execute that, and it would automatically down here insert it into the table. So now to view the table, don't save, we can right click on the table and send to the editor and view all statements, and then execute the command, And as you can see, there's the one we edited, and there's also the one that we ran in the command. Now, to delete them, you can delete rows. We can literally specifically delete me, for instance. Left click the row here, right click, and then delete, and then we can apply that, and then finish. And then just to make sure that it's come through, don't save, we can run the all statements again and execute it. And as you can see, that I'm no longer there, but ID Steve 2 is still there. Now, that's about it really for editing tables in a basic database. Thanks ever so much for watching this video, and I hope it's helped you out a lot. If you want any more tutorials on MySQL, so for instance creating usernames, just please drop me a comment or go onto our website and post a request forum. We'd be more than welcome to help out. Thanks ever so much for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and take care.